I have a raccoon in my house.
Ever heard that sound? You know, the scratch, scratch, scratch in the walls at 2 a.m.? Or opened a window only to find stink bugs staging a family reunion on your curtains? Ugh, pests are the worst, but here's the good news. You don't have to turn your home into Fort Knox to keep them out. Today, we're spilling the secrets on how HY-GUARD Exclusion lets your house breathe while slamming the door on critters. How to protect your home with HY-GUARD Exclusion Solutions. Let's be real, nobody wants to play host to raccoons, wasps, or those creepy crawlies that somehow ninja their way inside.
This light fixture had fallen down, I heard the noise.
That's where HY-GUARD Exclusion shines. HY-GUARD isn't just metal covers. It's like a bouncer for your vents, keeping out the riffraff while letting fresh air party through. We're talking crawl spaces, attic vents, roof gaps, all the spots pests treat like a VIP entrance. Ready to reclaim your space? Let's get into it. Okay, crawl space vents. They're supposed to let air flow to prevent mold, but let's be honest, they're basically a neon open sign for squirrels and mice. Enter these bad boys. Heavy-duty galvanized steel covers. Think of them like a security guard who's really good at crosswords. Nothing gets past them. Raccoons? Nope. Opossums? Not a chance. But wait, what about the tiny terrors? Cue InsectArmor. This ultra-fine mesh is like a force field for bugs. Stink bugs? Blocked. Wasps? Denied. Even those clingy cicadas? Gone. And the best part? Your house still gets to breathe. No more choosing between fresh air and a pest-free zone. Now let's talk about those oh crap gaps. You know the ones. Under the solar panels, around the soffits, that weird hole by the gable vent your contractor swore was fine. Pest Armor is the fix-it hero here. It bends, cuts, and molds to any shape, like Play-Doh for grown-ups. Got a big gap? High-profile Z-Mesh has your back. Tiny crack? Low profile's on it. And if your house has a unique personality, the custom panels are like a tailor-made suit. No job's too quirky. Wildlife pros love it, and DIYers, you'll feel like a rock star. Ready to kick pests to the curb? Head to highc.com and check out HY-GUARD's full lineup. Because let's face it, you've got better things to do than play whack-a-mole with raccoons. Links in the description. Go get 'em.
Sammy Arbid can't understand how a very large bear managed to squeeze himself into the crawl space underneath his Altadena home.